They say jeans are casual, even messy, but the most elegant women know how to wear denim like royalty. Think of Carolyn Bessette-Kennedy in her crisp white shirt and dark jeans, or Meghan Markle in her classic trench and denim ensemble. Even Audrey Hepburn herself was spotted in cropped jeans and ballet flats. So the truth is, jeans aren't the problem. It's how you wear them. Today, we're exploring 3 elegant outfit ideas with jeans that prove you can be stylish, sophisticated, and graceful, all while wearing denim. My name is Summia, and this is Summia's Elegance, your go-to for timeless fashion, grace, and elevated style. If that sounds like your cup of tea, make sure to subscribe and join our growing family of elegant women. Outfit number 1, dark jeans with white blouse. Imagine strolling down a cobbled Parisian street, a fresh baguette in one hand and elegance in every step. That's the magic of this effortlessly chic outfit. A pair of dark wash, straight-leg jeans paired with a crisp white blouse is more than just clothing. It's a quiet revolution in grace. Add a soft red lip, delicate gold jewelry, and classic ballet flats. And suddenly, you're not just dressed, you're poised. It's the kind of look that says, I didn't try hard, yet turns every head on the boulevard. Style tip: avoid distressing or rips. Opt for clean silhouettes and structured denim. It's the difference between casual and couture. This timeless outfit has long been the signature of French-style icons like Inès de la Fressange and Jeanne Damas, who've shown us that sometimes less really is more. Outfit number 2, jeans with structured blazer. Think of a woman who commands respect with a single glance. Not because she's loud, but because her presence is unmistakably polished. That's the power of jeans paired with a structured blazer. Choose a high-rise pair, tuck in a simple blouse, and layer with a camel or navy blazer. Slip on leather loafers, and you've just created the perfect balance of relaxed and regal. Style tip: cuff your jeans just above the ankle for that refined, feminine finish. It's the tiny details that make the outfit whisper wealth. Kate Middleton is often seen in this exact look because elegance doesn't need heels, just intention. Outfit number 3, light jeans with knit top delicate, dreamy, graceful. This look is like a soft breeze on a spring morning. Light wash denim paired with a blush pink or cream knit top brings out your gentleness without sacrificing style. Drape a string of pearls across your collarbone, slide into nude flats, and carry a small structured handbag. You're now the embodiment of subtle romance. Style tip: add a pastel cardigan and wear your hair in a low bun to complete the poetic softness. If Grace Kelly were alive today, she'd be brunching in this very outfit, with a fresh flower tucked behind her ear. See? Elegance isn't about what you wear, it's how you wear it. Jeans can absolutely be part of a graceful, polished wardrobe. The key is in the details. Clean silhouettes, neutral colors, thoughtful accessories, and above all, confidence. Which outfit was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you style your denim. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Summia's Elegance for more timeless style tips. Until next time, stay graceful, stay classy, and always wear what makes you feel truly beautiful.